Hello lads and gals, welcome to the Dimidrone channel, and today we are surfing above famous Kuressaare Castle, which is located on Saaremaa island in Estonia. The earliest written record mentioning Kuressaare Castle is from the 1480s, when the Teutonic Order began its construction for the Bishop of Episcopal. Some sources claim that the first castle was built of wood, as the inhabitants of Saaremaa put up stiff resistance to foreign efforts to Christianize them. The castle was undoubtedly built as part of a wider effort by the Crusaders to gain control over the island. From the outset, it was a stronghold belonging to the Bishop of Saaremaa and remained one of the most important castles of the bishopric until the dissolution during the Livonian War. In 1559, Denmark-Norway seized control over Saaremaa and Kuressaare Castle. During this time, the fortifications were modernized. Following the Peace of Bromsbro, which ended the war between Sweden and Denmark-Norway, Saaremaa passed into the Swedish hands. The Swedes continued the modernization of the fortress until 1706. Following the Great Northern War, Saaremaa and Kuressaare Castle became a part of the Russian Empire. As the frontiers of the Russian Empire gradually pushed further west, Kuressaare lost its strategic value. Especially after the Finnish War and the Third Partition of Poland, military focus was shifted away from Estonia. In 1836, following the construction of the fortress of Bomersund on island, the Russian garrison at Kuressaare has gone away. The fact that Kuressaare Castle was not employed by the armies who fought in the Crimean War is also indicative of its lost strategic importance. In the 19th century, the castle was used as a poorhouse. In 1912, the castle was restored by architects Carl Rudolf Hermann Züberlich and Wilhelm Neumann. Today the castle houses the Saaremaa Museum. Kuressaare Castle is considered one of the best preserved medieval fortifications in Estonia. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Keep traveling and discover new locations.